My name is James. I'm one of the sales engineers here at Northern Arizona Wind and Sun. So my job here is to interact with clients and help guide them to picking and/or assist them with picking the correct product or putting together the correct solution for their particular application. My favorite thing to do in my free time is to get outdoors. I like going hiking. We're coming into winter now, so go skiing, driving on the forest roads, and go jeeping. That's a lot of fun. I also like to build things. I rebuilt my house basically, so I can keep busy doing lots of hands-on or outdoorsy things typically. Well, the favorite thing I do in my job is essentially I really enjoy putting together complicated solutions to solve people's problems. And my favorite aspect is when a customer gives you good feedback and the application and the solution that you put together is perfect. And that really is the favorite thing, is to hear what you did and the work that you put forth was successful. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe, and comment.